The defense rested its case in the eye drops homicide trial in Waukesha, but the jury won't hear closing arguments until Monday. Fox 6's Brett Lemoyne live with what defendant Jessy Kurczewski said in court today, Brett.
Yeah, Ben, and for the first time during this trial, we heard Jessy Kurczewski speak. She made an important decision about testifying in this case, and all this was taking place as now the defense and prosecution prepare for closing arguments.
Because this smells of statistical trickery.
The defense's last witness tried to cast doubt on whether tetrahydrozoline killed Lynn Hernan. Toxicologist Henry Spiller testified powerful muscle relaxers were more likely a factor.
Where does tetrahydrozoline fall in the seriousness on the list of drugs in Lynn Hernan?
At the bottom.
That contradicts the medical examiner's ruling. Prosecutors believe Jessy Kurczewski gave Hernan 6 bottles of Visine. Spiller disagrees.
She took about a teaspoon. About a teaspoon is left. She obviously took more because she has a blood level. But there's about a teaspoon left in the stomach.
Prosecutors called into question Spiller's credibility.
The school where you received that degree, Columbia Pacific University, no longer exists.
No, I don't think so.
Because the state of California shut it down by court order.
Don't know. It was long after I was involved with it.
Investigators say Kurczewski killed Hernan and took all of Hernan's money. Kurczewski says Hernan was sick, wanted to die, and willingly wrote Kurczewski dozens of checks.
Objection. This was entered by defense as Exhibit 626.
That's not the question. The insinuation was that
Hold on. Stop. I'm excusing the jury.
After a series of objections and Spiller talking over attorneys,
Let the attorneys direct by asking you the questions.
The defense rested its case. Kurczewski said she won't take the stand.
It was very hard for me to decide, but ultimately I will not be testifying.
And again, closing arguments will begin on Monday. Judge Doro said that both parties need tomorrow to go over jury instructions, so she dismissed the jury for the weekend. Reporting live in Waukesha, Brett Lemoyne, Fox 6 News.
Brett, thanks for the update.